Welcome to Healing Happens Daily. I'm Derek, and this is day 23, Daily Bread, Daily Blood Sugar. Give us this day our daily bread, Matthew 6:11. As we reflect on this beautiful verse, let's remember that each day is a gift. Just as we rely on God for our daily bread, we can approach our diabetes journey one day at a time. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the big picture of managing our blood sugar, but taking it day by day can bring us peace. Each morning, we have the opportunity to make choices that honor our bodies and our faith. Celebrate the little victories, whether it's a balanced meal, a successful blood sugar reading, or simply choosing to take a walk. Remember, God provides for us daily, so we can trust Him for our strength and guidance. For today's health tip, focus on meal prepping your daily meals. Choose one day each week to prepare healthy, balanced meals that align with your dietary needs. This way, you can grab your daily bread without the stress of last-minute decisions. It will not only help you maintain stable blood sugar levels, but also give you the freedom to enjoy your meals without worry. Let's close in prayer. Dear Lord, thank you for providing for our needs each day. Help us to trust in you as we navigate our health journeys. Grant us strength, guidance, and the wisdom to make choices that honor our bodies. Amen. This is Derek from BootDiabetics. Until tomorrow, remember, your body is a temple.